everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a super exciting video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, so this is something kind of different than what I've done in the past, so I'm super excited. So I'm going to be showing you guys the April BoxyCharm box. I'm super excited about this. I have always wanted to do one of these subscription boxes. I remember my friend Riley, you guys know Riley, she had one, and she was always getting like so many cool like products in it. You get like 4 to 5 full-size products, and it's around $20 a month, kind of give or take. If you sign up for like a year, it's a little bit less. If you just pay it month by month, it's a little bit more, but it's around $21. You know, when you order something online and you're just so excited for it to come in the mail and you're just like waiting, it's like a little gift. Even though you know what it is, it's like exciting. This is like that, but it's even more exciting because you don't know what's in it. It's like a little surprise little gift box. It's like every month it's your birthday, you get like this little box of fun stuff. So I opened it up and this is what it looks like. And you get this little pamphlet, and I already kind of looked through it because I couldn't wait until I did the video. So I guess it's kind of like, it's an unboxing video, but I kind of already know what's in it. But you get this one, so I think this is like what the theme is. So it's eye candy, and there's different kind of like themes each month, I believe. And so that's really cool. And then it kind of shows you, it tells you about the products that are in it, but I don't want to read that part because I want to show you guys what's in it. And then you also get some coupons on the back. So the first thing is the Tarte Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter, and I'm really excited about this because I have seen this in stores. I haven't gotten it yet, but it's really, really cool. And this is in the shade Stunner, so I have like the powder version of this and a Tarte highlight palette, but I don't have the liquid version. It just like comes in this little tube. And it's literally so pretty. My friends were over when I got this package in the mail and they were all swatching it, and it like literally looks so good. Like, it's so pretty. Also, I'm like ridiculously kind of orange and fake tanned right now, so this color looks like super light on my hand, but really pretty. I think this kind of highlight color would look good on all skin tones. Like I said, I swatched it whenever I was like really, really pale, and it still looked good, and it looks good now that I've got like a pretty dark tan going on. So really, really pretty. I even put it on I even like wore it one day, and it's just like so nice. And if you wanted like a crazy highlight, you could use this as kind of like a base, like put this on and then put a little powder highlight on top, like a pressed highlighter on top, and it would be like crazy pigmented. It would also be good if you want something like a more natural glow, like under the skin. You could put this on before your foundation and then put your foundation on, and it would just have like a nice, like very subtle glow underneath the skin. So I really love this product. It's awesome. Like, look, full size. Like this right here, I'm pretty sure would like pay for the whole box. Next up is this brow product. So it's a tinted brow gel. And I actually haven't opened this one yet, so I'm not very familiar with this product, so I'm just going to look at the little pamphlet and see what it says. So it's a tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look, perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural fill to their brows. So really cool. Oh, look at that! It's like a little teeny tiny little brow thing. Tiny wand. I'm just going to try it out. See how it's like the perfect size? Ooh, it's so nice. I really like it because it kind of gets all your brows in place, and I love that the applicator is tiny because I have a brow gel from Anastasia and I really like it, but it's like gigantic. Like, it's really hard for me to like brush it through my brows and not get like product like here and here and here because the applicator is so huge. So I love that it's like teeny tiny, but it does make my brows look really nice. So I'll just zoom in really quick and show you guys. That is without any brow gel. So you can see there's kind of like some little sparse areas. The hairs aren't really set down. And then with this one, it kind of filled in those little sparse areas, and it kind of has my brows like set in place. So super nice. My eyebrows were already done, so they already kind of like were filled in. But this would be nice if you wanted something just kind of like more natural. If you're somebody that already has like really full eyebrows, like my friend Riley has like perfect eyebrows naturally, this would be great for somebody like that because you could just kind of comb through them, set them in place. It adds a little tint, and you're like really like super fast on the go, just like a quick little brow fill. But for me, I like to do quite a bit to my eyebrows, but this would still be good if you are somebody like me that likes to put a lot of product on your eyebrows to just kind of set it in place. Or like I said, if like maybe you're going to the pool or working out or something where you don't want to wear a lot of makeup but you don't want to have like zero brows, this would be nice to just kind of quick little natural kind of brow. So I really like this product. I love the applicator. I would definitely repurchase this if I ran out of this. Like, definitely, I really like it. Next up is a high definition liquid lipstick, and I'm not very familiar with this brand either. So I've got this liquid lipstick right here. I don't see a name of it, but we'll go to the little pamphlet thing. Yeah, I love how they have this little pamphlet that gives you all the, you know, about the products, because like I Didn't know about all of these. So it says, luxurious, creamy, long-wearing liquid lipstick provides the dazzling full coverage of a lipstick with the ease of wand applicator, made with advanced polymers and intense pigments for long-lasting, brilliant color and intense shine in a single sweep, cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, EU compliant. This is normally like $24. I love how it gives you the price. So yeah, the Tarte Pro Glow highlighter thing that I got was $30. So literally this box costs less than one product. Why would you not want all of these other products? Oh my gosh, and another thing I'm going to show you is a $47 value. This liquid lipstick is really nice. I did swatch this when I got it. It's definitely very glossy, even though it says liquid lipstick. Most liquid lipsticks are matte, but I feel like this one actually has a glossier finish. It's not like completely glossy, but it's definitely not matte, so somewhere in between. But it's a really nice color. Like, this is definitely the kind of color that anybody could wear all the time. It's a little bit darker than what I'm wearing, but it's really nice. Like, I literally love this color. There you go, so you can see what that looks like. So you can definitely see it's a little bit glossy. I'll see in a little bit if it dries and it's like more matte, but it's a really pretty color. This would look good on everybody. Like, this is such a stunning color. I love it. Next up is this Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask, and it looks like this, and this is the one that I said is a $47 value. This award-winning pore refining mask is an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin surface. Oh, so it's just like this like clear. Oh, so it's like very clear. I was curious if it was like gritty or like colored, but it's just like this clear kind of like paste. Doesn't really have much of a smell to it or texture or color or anything really, so I really like this. I think this would be super nice. So when you put it on, you're supposed to kind of do it after you cleanse your face, obviously. You put it on for 5 to 10 minutes and then a cooling sensation will occur and then you rinse it off. So that seems really cool. I'm super excited. I wish I would have tried this out before the video, but I'm super excited to try this out. I think it'll be really nice to, like, you know, minimize pores and just make your skin feel really fresh and get all that junk out of your pores. So really, really excited to try this out. It seems very, very nice. Last but not least is, I think, maybe one of the coolest things of the box. It is the ColourPop My Little Pony eyeshadow palette. Super excited. I've definitely seen this all over Instagram, so I'm really happy to try it out. It looks really cool. I've seen this in like some tutorials and everything, so I'm super excited to have it. But it looks like this. So it's just like this small kind of like palette, but it does have quite a few colors and like super pretty. I love this like kind of rose gold orange shadow, and then this one's like kind of like an orange copper gold kind of color. This is like my everyday kind of transition color. You've got this cream like glittery kind of color. This white, very iridescent color is gorgeous. It would be really fun for like a festival look, so let me know if you guys would like to see some sort of festival look with this. But it's really, really cool, and I love ColourPop, so I bet this is amazing because ColourPop is amazing. This sells for $16. It says, explore the palette inspired by their colorful personalities and magical cutie marks. From shimmery glitters and wearable mattes to bright pops of color and surprising iridescence, you can imagine the looks you'll create with this little palette. Friendship is magic when you're friends with this sparkly crow. That's so cute. First of all, love the packaging. Second of all, these colors are very pigmented. I swatched these four kind of like right here, so like that orangey one, the rose gold one, purple, and the iridescent one. Look at that iridescent white color. Oh my gosh, I barely even touched it and it was like super pigmented. So I was definitely really surprised at how pigmented these are. Really excited to try this out, and it's just so cute. You've got like a nice little variety of colors. Really cute. Love the packaging, love the quality, love this entire box. Like, I love all of this stuff. Like, I'm so happy I got it. Like, literally obsessed. This box only cost $21, but I got $138 worth of products, so that is like insane. I love the little description that gives you and how it has like a little theme. So literally obsessed. You guys should definitely check it out. So I will have a link in my description box, so definitely click on that to sign up and get yourself a box. Like, treat yourself. You deserve a fun little box every month with like some full price products, like almost $150 value for $20. Like, that is insane, literally, and it's like a fun little surprise. What can we get next month? Like a Tarte blush? Who knows? And it's all full price. That's what I love about it. Like, or full price. I keep saying full price. Full size. I always thought these boxes would just be like little samples of things, but you actually get like 4 to 5 full size products. Like, that is amazing. Like, literally, I would spend more just going to Sephora and buying this than I would for the box. I literally love it so much. Like, I am so surprised. Like, I don't know, I was just so happy when I got this box and I had all these products. Like definitely one of those things to treat yourself to, a little gift each month from yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to thumbs up if you guys would like to see more kind of like unboxing type of videos. Also make sure to follow all my social media and subscribe if you're not subscribed. And let me know if you guys would like to see me do like some sort of like festival inspired look. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye!